Om Shanti. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. On this auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, heart-filling greetings and divine wishes to all. The festival of Ganesh Utsav is celebrated not only across India but also around the world with great devotion, joy and enthusiasm for 10 sacred days. With deep faith, we all worship Lord Ganesha through prayers, offerings, and aarti, welcoming him into our homes and hearts. Traditionally, it is said that before worshipping Lord Shiva, one must first worship Lord Ganesha. That is why Ganesha is honored as the remover of obstacles, the giver of wisdom, and the bestower of success. His presence is considered highly auspicious. He is lovingly remembered by countless names: Vigna Vinashak, remover of obstacles, Vinayaka, Siddhi Vinayak, and Mangal Murti, the divine auspicious one. But is worship limited to chanting only? His glory and performing rituals? Not at all. The true essence of Ganesh Chaturthi lies in imbibing his divine qualities into our lives. During these 10 days, let us not only sing his praises but also strive to bring his virtues into our character and actions. Spiritual significance of Lord Ganesha. Every feature of Lord Ganesha's idol conveys a deep message. His large ears teach us to listen patiently. His small eyes remind us to focus clearly. His big head inspires to think wisely. His trunk shows flexibility and adaptability. His one tusk signifies the power of retaining the good and discard the unnecessary. Through these divine symbols, Lord Ganesha becomes our essential teacher, guiding us towards wisdom, humility, and inner strength. The story and inner meaning. As scriptures narrate, when Lord Shiva returned from his meditation, a young Ganesha created by goddess Parvati stood guard and stopped him from entering. Not recognizing his own father, the child was only fulfilling his duty. In anger, Shiva severed his head, but later, on Parvati's plea, he restored the boy's life by placing the head of an elephant upon him. Thus, Ganesha was born. This story carries a profound spiritual truth. The cutting of the head does not signify destruction, but transformation. It symbolizes the removal of the ego driven, body conscious intellect and the gift of a new divine intellect filled with wisdom, purity, and soul consciousness. Just as Shiva gave Ganesha a new identity, God too transforms us from we let go of ego and embrace our true spiritual self. Lesson for us. True celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi is not merely about offering a rituals, but about removing inner weaknesses and awakening the divine quality within. Let's adopt humility so no one feels small in our presence. Let us remove the obstacle of anger, pride, and selfishness. Let us spread joy, wisdom, and peace in our world, becoming a reflection of Mangal Murti himself. As the saying goes, great is not the one who makes others feel small, but the one in whose presence no one feels small. So, in these 10 sacred days, may we not only worship Ganeshji but also become like him, wise, pure, and divine. With these good wishes, I end today's reflection. Tomorrow we shall explore another beautiful quality of Lord Ganesha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.